Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, based on statistics, this could account for a large percentage of individuals missing and presumed dead, even though law enforcement has recovered nobody, as in the case of Donna Lee Donaldson. I will still say there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson. If you agree, drop a like on the video and also drop a comment in the comment section. Of course, we're not going to hear the findings and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
I'll pile of people them. I get paid for put man who get killed by criminal or police, cause it never exempt the police. Man who get killed by police or criminal, them take the body them and carry go to a place where make coffin and put that body in a coffin we get paid for the next person, and then put the person who get paid for going in that coffin there, then put them in that coffin there too. So you find two people in the coffin, but because it a go a funeral now, nobody now open the coffin again. Them seal the coffin now and carry it go a funeral, go bury it. So it's two people in a one coffin. One who's supposed to be there and one who get somebody pay, whether police or criminal, pay the funeral parlor to put the next man in there. And then you hear say somebody missing and you can't find them, and you wonder, oh, you can't find that person there. Oh, that I go resolve. It's a terrible thing that, you know, how you going to resolve something like that? Eh? How you going to walk? You go back and dig out the grave? Which grave? How you going to know which grave to dig? You can't do it. So there goes an unsolved murder. Unsolved murder. Police involved. Them shot certain man. Because you know the police now drive by and all them. Police get involved in everything now. Every criminal activity, you have police involved in that some way or another. Gun running, scamming, just pay for kill man, anything. Police involved in it. And this is something now where it's being done. It is being done in Jamaica, where two people end up in a one coffin and get buried. So the one who not supposed to in there, for them family, will never find them. Never find them body. Because there's no way you're going to figure out how that go. Unless somebody bust pan the funeral parlor, which is unlikely, because if you get money to do this thing, thousands of dollars, maybe I get more money than where the family for the person who dead who give money to build the coffin and set up the body. The funeral parlor get double the amount, put a next person in that coffin there. Hey, I tell you, sir, Jamaica not easy, no Rasta.
And as stated by Motor, for one, you wouldn't know which grave to dig up. Other than that, there would be the whole fiasco with having the families agree to have their loved ones' remains digged up in an investigation to find out if another body was also placed in the casket as well. But this seems to be a big business, a side hustle that is taking place at certain funeral homes. There's also records stating that individuals have been cremated illegally, done so by some family members trying to cut costs, but at the end of the day, rules and regulations did not apply. And if a family member can do that, then that means that maybe another individual can just pay these people for do the same thing. Some have stated that this is what Sch00l did. We don't know. Law enforcement has not revealed all the pieces of evidence that they have against Mr. Maitland. But talk to me in the comment section. There must be justice for Donna Lee Dancer. Drop a like on the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now also making headlines, and it seems as if these situations have take place at an earlier stage now. A female student was sexually assaulted at Orakabessa High School. Not going to school or coming from school. At the school on the compound, a 10th grader was reportedly found unconscious inside the bathroom by other students. Now, acting principal of Orakabessa High School, Donovan Thomas, confirmed the incident, but stated that the matter has now been handed over to law enforcement. Mr. Thomas stated that administrators have been in dialogue with the students' parents, the school board, and the Ministry of Education itself. A counselor for the Orakabessa division has condemned the incident and called for the installation of security cameras at the Orakabessa High School. Truth be told, it reached a point there. It clearly reached the point where we need CCTV cameras on school compounds. Some would say we even need metal detectors at the gate, and not true. If we are saying no weapons, then maybe we need metal detectors at the gate. We know we have other academic instruments that are made out of metal. As you know, a whole geometry set would have set off the metal detector. But I better that go on and them check the youth them than them going in with weapons. And when things like this happen, we need CCTV footage. We need to see what go on. This student was found unconscious. So this assault was also in the violent nature. Unless it was caused by a substance. And we already hear them point out the fact that in schools in these days, there's a high increase of substance abuse. And them say it has been made popular through music. Not just local music though. Them try to say just local music. But in this day and age, the youth listen to a wide variety of music. And in overseas music, especially the hip-hop genre, these substances are heavily popularized. Almost every other song, there's a line where I make reference to one of these substances. The issue is the fact that it is now available on the island. So now the youth, them we hear these songs and I hear about these things, they used to just say, oh, it's a foreign thing, that they are foreign to partake and indulge in these type of activities. No, you can do it a yard. But talk to me, do you agree that based on what going on in schools in this day and age, CCTV cameras are definitely needed? But we are past the talking point of just saying, yeah, it would be a good idea. You know? Speaking it of as wishful thinking. No, we have to be pragmatic. And no, say, if you want to create a safer learning environment for youths, metal detectors and cameras have to just be the norm. In numerous schools overseas, this is the case. You can list numerous schools in Brooklyn, Queens, and of course in the Bronx, where for one there are cameras, but there are also metal detectors at the doors. Before you enter, yeah, it's almost like you go up on a flight. And these schools have stated that the reason for that is because students have been found with weapons. And I hear say them actually find them with weapons. I mean, I tell you about pistols, but now I just talk about sharp objects. Like I was saying, in majority of the cases locally, where students are normally found with knives and scissors and things of that nature. But we are talking about pistols. In North America, students regularly attend school with pistols for whatever reasons. It is not allowed, but them try to do it. And that's why at certain of these institutions, these measures are now taken. But talk to me. As I say, condolences to the family and to that young student, 10th grade. And from what we have heard from females, is that thing we get over. So I like say, oh, this happened to her at school and she'll get over it. No. Is that something where she got to think about? Hopefully she can live a life where she not have to rehearse it in her mind on a daily basis. But that's something she got always remember. Definitely a sad situation. Talk to me in the comment section. Now if you're new to the channel, let's pass through. But they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and, of course, made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Now, until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.